You're looking for a helmet camera that doesn't fall off, doesn't drain in 10 minutes, and actually records clear footage, but every option online looks the same. Same price, same features, same glowing descriptions. But here's the thing, most of these cameras fail in real riding conditions. They vibrate too much, the battery dies mid-ride, or the video is so blurry you can't even see license plates. That's why I dug into the ones people actually use on long rides, off-road trails, and rainy commutes. Let's cut through the noise and find out which ones work, and which ones are just marketing fluff. Product number 1, Sixmu i3 4K. First up is the Sixmu i3 4K, a tiny, thumb-sized camera that's supposed to be perfect for helmets. It's super compact, weighs less than an ounce, and comes with a magnetic clip and waterproof case. At $92, it's on the pricier side for such a small device. If you want something so unobtrusive you forget it's there, this might be your pick. The 4K recording and 131-foot waterproofing sound solid on paper, especially if you ride near water or do mountain biking. The magnetic mount means you can stick it anywhere metal allows, which is handy. Now here's what matters. Does it solve your real problem? For motorcycle riders, clarity and stability matter more than megapixels. Also, the 800 mAh battery lasts only 90 minutes in 4K, so if you're doing a 3-hour ride, you'll need to swap it out or carry power banks. Some buyers complain that the magnetic mount loosens after heavy vibration, making it wobble. But honestly, that's fixable with extra adhesive pads included in the box. So yeah, it's not perfect, but for someone who wants discreet, high-res POV footage without bulky gear, this is worth a serious look. Product number 2, Zoyod 4K Dual Screen. Next is the Zoyod 4K Action Cam. This one's got dual screens, 6-axis stabilization, and claims to be fully waterproof at 66 feet bare metal. At $64, it's cheaper than the first option and includes 2 batteries, a 32 GB card, and loads of mounts. It looks like a premium vlogging rig, but how does it hold up on a motorcycle? Well, the 4K 60 FPS and 64 MP photos are impressive, and the front screen lets you frame shots without taking your eyes off the road, great for solo riders. The IP68 rating means no housing needed for underwater use, which is nice if you ride near beaches or do water sports. But here's the catch. While it stabilizes well on bikes, the built-in microphone picks up too much wind noise at highway speeds. Riders in reviews said they had to buy external mics to get usable audio. Also, the dual-screen design adds bulk, about double the size of the Sixmu, which can shift balance on a helmet. Still, the 6-axis EIS really smooths out shakes, and with 2 1050 mAh batteries giving over 200 minutes total runtime, you won't run out mid-ride. If you care about cinematic quality, self-framing, and don't mind tweaking audio later, this one delivers where others falter. Product number 3, Xylcam Mini Body Cam. Now we've got the Xylcam Mini Body Cam, small, affordable at $38 and marketed as a wearable camera with audio. It's tiny, clips onto clothing, and comes with a 32 GB card and card reader. Sounds great for casual riders, right? But wait, this one records only in 1080p, not 4K, and while it has audio recording, many users reported distorted sound due to lack of wind resistance. On a motorcycle, wind noise drowns out speech completely unless you add a foam cover, which isn't included. The loop recording every 5 minutes is useful, but if an incident happens between intervals, you lose critical footage. Battery life is decent, 180 minutes in 1080p, but the plastic casing feels flimsy. Several buyers said it cracked during falls. That said, it's lightweight and easy to mount on helmets or jackets. If you're doing short urban rides, filming pets, or just need basic evidence recording, it's fine. But for serious motorcyclists who demand reliability and clarity, this skips too many essentials. Skip this one if you ride fast, ride far, or expect professional results. Product number 4, Bang's Wi-Fi Helmet Cam. The Bang's Wi-Fi Helmet Cam jumps in at $73 with HD 1080p, IP66 waterproofing, and real-time phone preview via Wi-Fi. No app needed, just connect and watch live feed. That's a big plus for checking angles before hitting the road. The 1600 mAh battery promises 6 hours of continuous recording, which beats most competitors, and it supports charging while recording. But here's the hidden issue. The Wi-Fi disconnects randomly after 20-30 minutes, forcing you to reset it mid-ride. Several reviewers mentioned this exact frustration during group rides. Also, the lens distorts edges. The 120-degree wide angle captures everything, but corners look warped unless you edit later. Still, the build feels sturdy, and the waterproof rating, IP66, handles rain well, though not submersion. Just bring a backup plan for connectivity hiccups. Product number 5, ABTOCWK Wide-Angle Cam. Finally, the ABTOCWK 1080p Helmet Cam at $42 offers a 120-degree wide-angle lens and 5-hour battery life. It's simple, no frills, and requires a separate microSD card, so you pay extra if you don't already have one. The wide lens is excellent for capturing roadsides and traffic context, which helps in accidents or disputes. However, the video compression is aggressive. Even in daylight, footage looks slightly grainy compared to 4K cams. Audio is AAC encoded but lacks noise filtering, so again, wind ruins voice clarity. Battery charges fully in 2 hours and holds charge impressively long, making it ideal for multi-day tour if you carry spare cards. But if you're upgrading from older models seeking sharper visuals, this won't satisfy. Best for budget-conscious riders who prioritize coverage over crystal clarity. So which helmet camera should you pick? If you want true 4K and stealthy design, go with the 6mu i3 despite its battery limits. Craving dual screens and stabilization, the Zoyout delivers but needs audio fixes, needs simplicity and long battery. Bang's wins with Wi-Fi preview. Avoid the Xylcam unless it's just for short trips, and ABTOCWK works best for wide coverage on a budget. None are flawless, but each serves different rider needs. Just match your priority: clarity, battery, or convenience.